Have you ever been on a bumpy road trip? You know, the kind where every few seconds you feel a jolt, and you can't help but grip the steering wheel a little tighter? Ugh, those bumps are annoying. They make the journey uncomfortable, and sometimes even nerve-wracking. It's not just about the discomfort, it's about the wear and tear on your vehicle too. Roads get damaged by weather, heavy traffic, and just getting old. Rain, snow, and the relentless sun all take their toll. Not to mention the constant stream of vehicles. Cracks, potholes. They make driving uncomfortable and even dangerous. Navigating around these obstacles can be a real challenge, especially in busy traffic. We need roads that can handle all this. Roads that can withstand the elements and the constant pressure of heavy traffic without falling apart. Imagine roads so tough they never crack, no matter how much traffic or how bad the weather gets. Roads that stay smooth and safe for years to come. That sounds like a dream, right? A world where every drive is smooth and stress-free, where you can enjoy the journey without worrying about the road conditions. Well, thanks to incredible new technology, that dream is becoming a reality. Engineers and scientists are working on innovative materials and construction techniques that promise to revolutionize our roads. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the way we build roads. You know how computers can learn and solve problems? AI uses that power to make roads stronger and longer lasting. Think of it like baking a super strong cake. AI looks at all the ingredients, the type of soil, the weather conditions, the expected traffic. Then it figures out the perfect recipe for a road that can handle anything. AI uses special sensors to check every step of road construction. These sensors are like super smart helpers that can test the strength of materials in real time, monitor the road for tiny cracks before they become big problems, and adjust the building process to make sure everything is perfect. It's like having a team of expert engineers watching over every inch of the road as it's being built. Section 4. AI Roads in Action from Dream to Driveway. Imagine a world where the roads you drive on are not just built by human hands, but are designed and optimized by artificial intelligence. This is not a distant dream. It's happening right now. AI-designed roads are already being built around the world. These roads are not only more efficient, but also more durable, reducing the need for frequent repairs and maintenance. In China, they are using AI to build superhighways that can handle